LPUNEST is a pan-India entrance and scholarship test designed to help students take their first step toward higher education. LPUNEST, the lovely professional university national entrance and scholarship test, makes that decision easier. It helps students secure admission and scholarships across a wide range of programs at LPU. Based on performance, students can earn scholarship up to 60%, valid throughout the entire program. To apply for B.Tech, visit the LPU website and register yourself by entering your basic details and verifying your mobile number through OTP. Once registered, log in and click on Apply for LPUNEST. Complete the application form and proceed to payment. You'll be asked whether you already have the LPUNEST kit. If not, select No and choose between a soft copy or hard copy. After payment, head to your dashboard to find your application number and continue the form. Fill in your personal details, upload your photograph, and enter your address, category, and parent information. Then, complete your academic details, including your 10th and 12th qualifications, and upload the required documents. Next, choose your exam mode, either a test center-based exam or a remotely proctored exam from home. Submit your application and return to the dashboard. Now, rank your program preferences based on your interests and career goals. Once done, book your exam slot by selecting your preferred state, city, date, and time. Finally, download your hall ticket, which includes your exam details, timing, instructions, and exam pattern. And that's it. Your LPUNEST application is complete. After the exam, your results and scholarship details are shared, opening doors to quality undergraduate and postgraduate programs at LPU. LPUNEST is more than just an exam. It's your gateway to scholarships, confidence, and a successful academic future.